You don't like the clock, but you like this Spider-Man one, huh? You can hang with that.
Oh.
Show me. Show me in the camera. What you got? Oh, I remember this. Somebody gave you that a few years ago.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Show it to the camera. Like that. Here. Show Papa before it beats you senseless. Hey, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Show me. Look. Show right here. Put it in the camera. I got Bobby. How's that? Can you see it? If you can't see it, I won't be able to see it.
I see it.
All right. You got a mask. You got the shooter. You got Goop. You got a glove. See that shooter? Grandma Lou gave you that 2 years ago. Of course, it's all spread all over now. Maybe 3 years ago. How old are you? 6? I bet she gave it to you when you were 3.